Log in, retrieve your account in less than 5 minutes. Let's start with retrieving your username. Go to the login page, select Forgot Username, then tap Confirm. Make sure you're using the phone that has your mobile number that you registered with BPI. Next, select the product related to your account. Enter the account number and your birth date. Answer the math question and click Confirm. Check if the mobile number you have on record is correct. To verify your device, select Send SMS. Now, wait for the app to verify your device. Now you can see your username. Forgot your password? It's actually easy to reset. Go to the login page, select Forgot Password. Then select Take Me There to proceed. Next, enter your username and select your account type. Enter the account number and your birth date. Complete the reCAPTCHA and tap Next. Finally, create your new password. To verify, select Yes, send me the code. Enter the SMS OTP you received. That's it! Now you can log in and access your account again.